ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ and this is a rhymes time. I hope you are already following all the rhymes that we are doing in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani channel. If not, if you have missed any, I'll leave the link for the playlist here. Please go check out the playlist. And the rhymes are actually fun way of learning the language. You will learn the words very quickly and easily in this. And for children, it's a very good for their improving the fluency of the language. So let's start today's rhyme. Ivattina rhymes yavdu? Ivattina rhymes is tick tock tick. Yes, so this is a kind of a words where amma, the mother, will say it to the child. The child is still sleeping in the morning and amma shall come to wake up the child. So let's learn today's rhyme. Koli is a hen. When you pronounce li, your li has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Koli, not Virat Kohli. Okay, Koli. Koogitelu. So Koogitu, it's a shouted already. Kohli already told ko. Elu, you have to get up. Kanda, my baby. Surya, sun, Purvadalli, in the east, Banda. He already woke up. Surya already woke up. He came in the east. Sunrise will in the east. Sunset will in the west. That is a Paschima. Hecchu malagalenu chanda. So, it is not good to sleep much more. Hecchu andre more. Malagu andre to sleep. Yenu chanda, how it is good? It is not good. Chanda is a good. Yenu chanda is what kind of a goodness is that one? To sleep much more after the sunrise. Ba kanda ba. Come my baby come. Tick tock tick tick tick. Okay na? Let's say it once again. Koli ಕೂಗಿತೇಳು ಕಂದ, ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಿತು ಏಳು ಕಂದ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಲಗಲೇನು ಚಂದ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಲಗಲು ಏನು ಚಂದ, ಬಾ ಕಂದ ಬಾ, ಟಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್. We'll say it a little faster, okay? ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಿತೇಳು ಕಂದ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಲಗಲೇನು ಚಂದ, ಬಾ ಕಂದ ಬಾ, ಟಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್. So this is the sound of a clock. Okay na? We'll repeat once again. ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಿತೇಳು ಕಂದ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಲಗಲೇನು ಚಂದ, ಬಾ ಕಂದ ಬಾ, ಟಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್. So this is a poem, this is a rhymes. Practice ಮಾಡಿ and please make a video of it and do send it to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more rhymes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ share this video with your friends and sorry for the background noise and meet you all. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name workshop 1 and workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself and all the ebooks it will be you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.